how to make your audio sound better on Spotify. So if you listen to a song and you feel like the audio isn't sounding good enough for you, so you're just going to follow these very simple steps. First of all, open up your Spotify app. Now once that is open, you're going to click on your library. Then you're going to click on your profile. Then you click on settings and privacy. Now what we're going to do here is that we're going to try to increase our streaming and download quality, as this helps make your audio sound better. So we're going to scroll down to media quality. As you can see, your media quality will either be set to automatic or low depending, so you're going to change that to high. And if you're using Spotify premium, you're going to change that to very high. Remember, it's audio streaming quality we're trying to increase because your audio is trying to increase. So under the audio streaming quality, you have your Wi-Fi streaming quality and your cellular streaming quality. So you're going to increase both of them, change both of them to high, and like I said, if you're using Spotify premium, you're going to use very high. Now also, you're going to go down to your download quality and change that one to high or very high depending on the one you're using. Now then we're going to try to enable our equalizer. To do that, just follow me. You're going to go back, and then you're going to go to playback. I'm going to go down to equalizer. Then on the equalizer, you can just choose to change some things. First of all, turn on your equalizer. Then you can choose to change some things, change the bass, the treble, anything you want, increase, decrease. Or you can just choose the presets like the bass booster or pop for you, which are sound. You can click this, which automatically just changes for you, or the pop for a richer sound. Then you're also going to turn on volume normalization. To do this, just follow me. So you go back and down, you will see volume normalization. Just click on that. Now it stops Spotify from automatically adjusting loudness, allowing for a fuller sound. And also, you're going to choose the right output device. Like if you're using a Bluetooth headset, you have to go and change the settings. But if you're using if you're using a Bluetooth device, you're going to have to change the setting. But if you're using a earpiece or a headset, well, it generally makes the sound better, so you don't have to change anything for that.